Here is how to separate text letters into individual objects in Blender. First, add text. Enter edit mode. Press backspace to delete the letters, then write your word. We will use Blender as an example. Go to the data properties and increase the extrude value. Go to the object properties and rotate the text 90 degrees in the X direction. Exit edit mode. Right-click and select Convert to Mesh. Return to edit mode. Now, highlight the text. Right-click and select Separate by Loose Parts. Exit edit mode. In the outliner, you can see how each part of the text becomes an independent object. Thank you for watching.